If you want to unlink your iCloud account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account that is linked to your iCloud. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the Settings menu, find and select Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and services connected to your Facebook account. Step 4. Find iCloud. Look for iCloud in the list of active apps and websites. Once you find it, tap on it to see more details about the connection. Step 5. Remove iCloud access. Select the option to remove or unlink iCloud from your Facebook account. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the disconnection is completed. Once you have completed these steps, your iCloud account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.